and then. Okay. Good evening and welcome to the Whitehill Bordon Christmas lights switch on. I had the pleasure of switching on the lights last year in my first year as mayor, and I'm delighted to be back again this year to officially switch them on again alongside my cadet. This year we have additional lights stretching down to the dairy on the high street and north face grooming room on Chalet Hill. We also have the town stag outside the signal that's down there building, and the 3 Christmas lights at Station Road and 3 outside Whitehill Village Hall. As we prepare for festivities, I'd like to bring the point home that Christmas is not only a time of joy and fun, but also the time of year when we should look out for others who are alone, vulnerable, or without close family ties. As 2023 draws to a close, we reflect on the events in this town this year and look forward to 2024. In a moment, you will see the lights behind me at Cllr Betting and down Chalet Hill will light up. Let's do the countdown then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go.